an issue, not an issue. Chalo, recording has started, let us continue. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So you are given these decimals. You count number of decimals places 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. They are not like decimals. So first you convert them into like decimal. Maximum is 2. So this I will write 2.50. This I will write 2.50. Then 3.10. Then 2.46. Then 3.08. Then 2.95. Then 3.97. Now you see how many decimals are there? How many decimal places are there in each? 2. So they are like decimals. Like decimals. Okay. This is 2. 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 So all are 2, 2, 2. Means are like decimals. Are like decimals. Are like decimals. Now you have to arrange them in the descending order. So we compare the decimals from left to right. Compare decimals. Compare decimals from compare decimals from left to right. Okay, left to right. Let us start from left to right. First we have to write descending order. So let us write the bigger number first. First it is 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1 minute my dear, 3. So 1 minute. So bigger number is 3, 3, 3. Now in these 3 number, which is the bigger that we have to write? After that 1, it is 0, it is 9. So 3.97 is bigger. 3.97. Then 3.10. Arey my dear, do not speak in between. Allow me to speak. No, let me explain. No, it is 3.10. First it is 3.97. 3.10, 3.08, 3.97, 333. Now compare second digit. 1, 0, 9. 9 is bigger. After 9, 1. After that 3. Okay, 3 is over. Now 2. 2.50, 2.46, 2.95. 2, 2, 2. Now compare the second digit. It is 5. It is 4. And it is 9. Which is bigger, my dear? 5, 4 and 9. Which is bigger? 9. So it will be 2.95, 2.95, 2.50 and 2.46. So are in descending order. Are in descending order. So now these numbers are in descending order. Okay. So first you convert them into like decimal, then you compare the digit from left to right and write down them in the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Yes. So they are in the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay. Now let me give you question, homework, whichever will be difficult that I will solve. Let us do second, let me give second one homework. 4.26. First you convert them into like decimal. 4.26, 2.46, 2.46, 2.46, then 2.4, 2.4, then 4.2, 4.2, 4.6, 4.6 and 2.06. 2.06. Okay, let me do one more problem. Chalo. First you can convert, check whether they are like decimal. This is 2, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2. So yes, so are unlike decimals. Not like means unlike decimals. Are unlike decimals. So first you convert them into like decimals. So which is the maximum number of decimal? 2. So first will be 4.26, then 2.46, then 2.4 I will write 2.40. Okay, then 4.2 I will write 4.20, then 4.6 I will write 4.60. No, my dear, first you are convert them into like decimal, no? Then this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, number of decimal places 2, 2, 2. So they are like decimals. They are like decimals. So we have converted unlike decimal to like decimals. Now we compare the digit from left to right. We compare the digit from left to right and it is descent. We compare the digit. Now compare from left to right. Left to right. You compare. Okay, and it is descending order. So maximum largest number you have to find. So first it is 4, 2, 1 minute, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 is maximum. Okay, let us see next digit. It is 2, and it is 6. Which is maximum? 6. So 4.60. 4.60. Then after 4.60, it is 4. It is 2, 6, 2, 2, then it is 6, 6. It is 6. It is 0. 4.26. Yes. Mute the microphone, my dear. 4.26. Then 4.20. So 4 is over. Now which is left? 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2 equal. Let us compare next digit. 4, 4, 4, 0. Which is maximum? 4. Now come to compare next digit. 6 and 0. Which is maximum? 6. 2.46. 2.46. Then 2.40. Then 2.06. Yes, are in descending order. Are in descending order. Are in descending order. So first you convert them into like decimal. First you convert them into like decimal. Then you compare the digit from left to right. Now let me write C. C is 0.9, 0.9, 0.9, 0.009, 009. Okay. Let me do this. Chalo. Let me do class work. 0.09. Okay. Then 9.9, 9.9, 9.09, 9.09. Then 0.9. 0.99. Let us see what it comes. Okay. Okay, done. So count the decimal place. 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. Which is maximum? 3. Which is maximum decimal place? 3. So are unlike decimals. They are unlike decimals. So let us convert them into like decimal first. They are unlike decimals. So let us convert them into like decimal first. So which is maximum? Maximum is 3. So this I will write 0.900, then 0.009, 0.009, okay, then 0.090, then 9.900, then 9.900, okay, 9.09, 9.090, then 0.990. Check whether they are like decimals. Check whether they are like decimals. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3 number of decimal places. So are like decimals. So they are like decimals. We have converted unlike decimals to like decimals. Now compare from left to right. Compare from left to right. From left to right. Let us compare. Compare from left to right. So this is 0, 0, 0, 9, 9, 0, which is descending order, means larger number you have to find first. This is 9, 9 is larger, these two. Then after 9 it is 0, it is 9, which is maximum, 9.900. 9.900. Okay. Then after that 9.09, 9.090. Then 9 is over. Now let us compare 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 9, then 0, then 0, and this is 9. So these two is maximum. Now among these two, which is larger? This is 0, this is 9. So 0.990. 0.990. After 0.900. 0.900. These two we have covered. Okay. These two we have covered. Yes. Now which is left? These two are left, no? 0.009. These two are left. 0.009. This is 0. This is 9. So which is maximum? 0.090, 0.090, then 0.009. Okay. But see here, our actual number is this. Our actual number is this. Okay. So what is, tell me, what is 9.900? That is this number. 9.900 is 9.9, no my dear. 9.9. 9.9. Then 9.090 is 9.09. After decimal 0 does not matter. Then 0.999. Then 0.9. Then 0.09. Then 0.009 are in descending order. Are in descending order. This is clear to all of you? Yes? Whether this is clear to all of you? See here, after decimal 0 has no value. So this 0 you can remove. 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 Any number of 0 can be removed. But after decimal, so this 2 0 I cannot remove because they are before 9. So this is the answer. Are in descending order. Yes, clear this part? Now D 87.9, 87.9, 79.8, 79.8, 97.8, 97.8, then 98.7, 98.7, then 89.7, homework 89.7, then 8.97. So first you convert them into like decimals. Okay, homework. D is homework. Then E is 1.1, 1.1, 1.01, 1.01, 0.11, 0.11, then 0.01, 0.01, then 0, no, homework, 0.101, same thing I have done, no, 0.101, 1.001, 1.0, okay, so D and E are homework. You first convert them into like decimals. You first convert them into like decimals, then you compare the digit from left to right. You compare them, you convert them into like decimals, then you compare the digits from left to right. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So this complete descending. Now fifth one, arrange the following in ascending order. Fifth one, arrange the following. Arrange the following. Arrange the following in ascending order. In ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. Okay. Now first question. E1. E1 is 1. D and E are homework. Okay. Now A is 22.2, 22.2, 0.2, 2.2, 2.2, 0.02, 0.02. Arey my dear, fifth question. 0.02, then 2.02, 2.02, then 2.22, 2.22. Okay. Ascending means smaller to bigger. So first you check whether they are like decimal. Number of decimal places 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. They are not equal number of decimal places. So are unlike decimals. Are unlike decimals. Are unlike decimals. Okay. So you convert them into like decimals. Which is the maximum number of decimal places, my dear? 2. So this you will write 22.20, 22.20, then 0.20, then 2.20, then 0.02, okay, then 2.02, then 2.22. You check whether they are like decimals, count the number of decimal places. This is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So all are equal. Number of decimal places are equal. So they are like decimals. They are like decimals. They are like decimals. Okay. So they are like decimals. Are like decimals. Now we compare the digits from left to right. Now compare from left to right. Left to right, you compare. Okay. And ascending order means smaller to bigger. So first you find the smaller number. This is 2, this is 0, this is 2, this is 0, this is 2, this is 2. Which is smaller, my dear? Which is smaller? 0. These two are having 0. Then compare the second digit. This is 0. This is 2. which is smaller, 0.02. So it will start from 0.02, 0.02, then 0.20, 0.20. Okay, smaller. These two we have done. Now after that 22, yes, 22, 2, 2, 2. These three are smaller. So 2, then 0, then this is 2, this is 2. This 0 is smaller, 2.02. 2.02. Okay. So after 2.02, these two are 2, 2. 2.20, 2.22. Then this is 0 and this is 2. Which is smaller? 2.20. 2.20. 2.20. Then 2.22. Now which number is left? 22 is left. So 22.20. But this is not my actual number. This is not my actual number. So what I will do? You remove the 0 after decimal. Remove the 0. At the end, don't remove the 0 in between. Don't remove the 0 in between, my dear. At the end. You cannot remove this 0 because this is in between. So that will be 0.02, 0.02, 0.2, 2.02, then 2.2, then 2.22 and 22.2 are in ascending order. Are in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Yes, sir. Are in ascending order. Are in ascending order. Yes, is it clear? Any doubt? Anybody has any doubt anywhere? You can ask. Yes? Anybody has any doubt? You can ask. Because this is important part. Comparing the decimals. Comparing the decimals, you will always compare the decimal from left to right, but before comparing, you have to convert them into like decimals. You have to convert them into like decimals. Now let me do B. 7.7, 7.7, 7.7, 7.07, 7.07, 7.07, no, 0.007. 7.7, 0.007, 0.007, then 0.7, then 0.00, no, this is 0.07. Second one is 0.07. Okay. Then fourth is 0.007, 0.007. Then 7.77, 7.77. 5 numbers are there. So you check whether they are like decimal. This is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 3, this is 2. Which is maximum number of decimals? Yes? Which is maximum number? 3. So are unlike decimals. Are unlike decimals. So you convert them into like decimals. You convert them into like decimals. So that will be 7 point. Maximum number of decimal places 3. So 7.700. Then 0.070. Then 0.700. Then 0.007. Then 7.770. Now you check whether they are like decimals. Decimal places 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. Number of decimal places are equal. So they are like decimals. They are like decimals. Okay, they are like decimals. Now you compare the digits from left to right. So compare from left to right. Compare from left to right. Okay, and since you have to write down them in the descending order, you have to find the smaller number first. Smaller number. Compare the digits from left to right. Let us compare. This is 7, 0, 0, 0, 7. Which is smaller? 0, 0, 0. Okay. Among these, second digit is 0, second digit is 7, second digit is 0. Means these two are smaller. Now let us compare third digit. This is 7 and this is 0. So which is smaller? This is smaller. 0.07. 0.07. Then 0.070. After this, it will be 0.700. Then after this is 7, 7, 7. Okay. 7. Now let us compare the second digit. This is 7, this is 7, equal. Third digit, 0 and 7. So this is smaller, 7.77, 7.700, then 7.770, 7.770. But this is not my actual number. So remove the 0 at the end. This 0 I will remove. These two 0 I will remove. These two 0 I will remove. And this 0 I will remove. What I will get? 0.007, then 0.07, then 0.7, then 7.7, then 7.77 are in ascending order. They are in ascending order. They are in ascending order. Okay. Yes, clear everything, my dear? Any doubt anywhere you can ask. Get your doubt. Yes, you can clear your doubt. Any doubt anywhere you can ask, because this is important part, decimal. Next year in physics and chemistry, you will solve the numerical problem based on the decimal. Okay, so this decimal will help you in physics, chemistry, biology, numerical problems. There you will remember me, that sir has taught us decimal, now this is helping us in physics and chemistry. Chalo, C part. 3.9, 3.9, 4.7, 4.7, 8.3, 8.3, 7.4, 4.07, 4.07, 7.04. They are not. This is homework, my dear. See. Our period will be up to 1 o'clock. No. Our period is up to 1 o'clock, my dear. Our period is up to 1 o'clock. Our official timing is it is up to 1 o'clock. Official timing is 12:20. Chalo. No. 8.46. Write on this. ठीक है. 4.86, 6.4, 6.48, 6.48, 6.68. C and D are homework. C and D are homework. Okay. Now let me do E part. E part I will do. 5.5, 5.05, 5.5, 5.05, then 0.55, 0.55, then 55.5, 55.5, 0.505, 0.505, and 50.5. Yes, you tell me, should I give homework? Easy one. Yes, let me give homework. Because, yes, all are same, my dear. Ascending order means you have to write down smaller number to. Last problem we will do, then we will do the surprises. Now last one. Sixth question. Show that 0.2 is equal to 0.20 is equal to 0.200. Show that this, okay, means adding 0, see here, adding 0 after decimal has no value. Adding 0 after decimal has no value. What is this conclusion? Adding 0 after decimal at right end has no value. So we are adding 0 at the right, it has no value. So let us solve this. 0.2. See here, what you will write 0.2, tell me. See, my dear, after decimal how many digits are there? Okay, one digit. So when you will remove the decimal, after that, so there will be 1 0 in the denominator, so that is 10. So 0.2 is same as 2 upon 10. After decimal one digit, so when you remove the decimal, there will be 1 0 in the denominator. So 0.2 is same as 2 upon 10. Let us see what is 0.20. Let us see what is 0.20. After decimal, how many digits are there? Yes, how many digits are there, my dear? 2. So there will be 2 0 in the denominator. So this is same as 020 upon 100. 020 is same as 20 upon 100. Now can you cancel 1 0? Can you cancel 1 0? 1 0 get cancelled. What is left? 2 upon 10. So this value is 2 upon 10. What is 2 upon 10? So this value is 2 upon 10. Okay? We don't write. This is 2 upon 10 we leave. We don't write in this. So whenever you remove the decimal, see 0.2, we are removing the decimal. Okay? We are removing the decimal. Let me write one more step. When you remove the decimal, after decimal one digit, so this will become 0.2 upon 1 0 will be the denominator 10. 0.2 is same as 2, 2 upon 10. Similarly, after decimal there are 2 digits, so there will be 2 zeros in the denominator. There will be 2 zeros in the denominator, means 2 0 means 100. So 0.20 is same as 20, 20 upon 100. 1 0 get cancelled, that is 2 upon 10. Let us see what is next. 0.200. 0.200. Now you tell me, after decimal there are how many digits? After decimal how many digits are there? 3. So there will be 3 zeros in the denominator. So this is same as 0.200 upon 3 zeros, 1000. Now 0 before any number 0 does not matter, so this is same as 200 upon 1000. Now how many zeros you can cancel? 1 0, 2 0, 1 0, 2 0. What is left? What is left? 2 upon 10. Okay, so 0.200 is also 2 upon 10. So 0.2 value is also 2 upon 10. 0.20 is also 2 upon 10. And 0.200 is also 2 upon 10. So all these are having same values, 2 upon 10. And therefore they are equal. Therefore 0.2 is same as 0.02 is same as 0.2 is same as 0.20 is same as 0.200. All are same. So what is the conclusion? Adding 0 after decimal at right end has no value, has no additional value. You have written value, no? Has no additional value, has no additional value, has no additional value. There will be no additional value, means the value will remain same. Has no additional value. Okay? Yes, clear? 1 minute. Surprise test I am giving you. Now you can see the video, my dear. Surprise test, 3-star question. Chalo. 5-star question. Let me make it tough. 5-star question. That is 2 upon 10. 2 upon 10. Okay? 0.5. Arey my dear, write down no. 0.50 divided by 0.500 plus 0.2000 upon 0.20. What is the answer? Chalo, answer. Answer is 1. Answer is 2. C is 3. 10. D is 100. Chalo, tell me the answer. Yes, very quickly, my dear. It is already 1 o'clock. Huh? I will. 10 is not the answer. There is no stick. No, why you think so? See, my dear. What? Huh? No, no, my dear. C is not the correct answer. See, why you are confused? See, my dear, why you are confused? See, here. No, D is not the answer. See this. 0. See this. 0. Arey, my dear, 0.50 is same as 0.500. Yes or no? Just now we have done. How many zeros you are adding? How many zeros you are adding? You can remove the zeros. So 0.5. This will be 0.5. This will be 0.5. Then 0.2. You can remove 0. You can remove 0. That will be 0.2 upon 0.2. So 0.5 upon 0.5 will be 1. 0.2 upon 0.2 will be 1. 1 plus 1. Answer is 2. How it is then? Yes? D is not the answer. B is the answer, my dear. B is the answer. Yes. Yes? Is it clear this part? So answer is B. Now we stop here. Bye everybody. Take care.